The maneuver braking system in your Skoda car relies on the small parking sensors, not on the big radars as many owners believe. So in 99% of cases, when you see the warning saying maneuver braking currently unavailable, the problem is connected with one of these small sensors having problems. And in most cases for Skoda cars, these problems are caused by stone chips. Road debris and small stones tend to damage the surface of these radars. Even a small, almost invisible chip can easily deactivate the system. The problem is that in the Skoda dealership they will charge you over 300 euros for sensor replacement, since their instructions say they need to take the bumper off. But if it's the low-mounted sensor in question, it can easily be replaced without taking the bumper off, which cuts the bill in half. To learn which exact sensor is malfunctioning, you will need a good high-end scanner. If the car is under warranty, it depends on the dealership if you will get covered for a stone damaged sensor. In most cases they will not cover it, but some dealers tend to be more flexible. If it's not covered under warranty, you may consider taking it to a good independent shop or even replacing the broken sensor on your own. The OEM parking sensor is 30 to 50 euros depending on the model and year.